This workout is an indoor walking workout. The workout itself is actually 7 minutes, and what we're going to be doing is stepping approximately 1,000 steps. So it's a really good way to get your daily step count up. It's great for healthy weight loss, for toning, fitness and general health. You don't need any equipment. I'm going to do the workout with you in real time. If you haven't already done a warm-up, just hit the pause button, march on the spot for 20 seconds. If not, we'll get straight into today's training. Okay, so move number one, you simply march on the spot 5 counts and then you do a lateral side lunge either side and then straight back to marching. We're going to do this for a duration of 60 seconds. So let's start 5 counts marching on the spot, then you lean over to one side, then to the other, straight back up to marching. Also, what I'm going to be doing today is doing some body positivity, which I think is really important. We're going to get the mind healthy, your body healthy, fit, and we're going to look at some positive affirmations. So one of them, let's start with this one. Don't try and change you, instead love who you are. You know, healthy, being fit is all about also having body positivity, you know, and so exercise is about loving your body. Don't try and change it. All you want to do is just make yourself feel your healthiest and your best. All right, that's good. So we've just got last 15 seconds coming up from now. So let's keep going. And this exercise we've been doing for the first one is great for your inner thighs, your outer thighs, to tone and strengthen, to strengthen your heart, get your heart rate up, and we are burning calories and we are increasing your daily step count 2 and 1. Right, so second move coming up, we're going to do these half kind of curtsy lunges and then doing step outs, and we're going to do those every 10 seconds. We'll just change so you've got the timer coming up. So it's a little bit of a curtsy lunge for 10 seconds, and you can work the arms as well. So this workout is actually a total body because we're toning all over. Then when we hit that 10 seconds, now let's just take those arms out to the side. We're just going to keep that going, keep alternating. So it's so important to embrace who you are, because you are one of a kind, and you know that's where it's so important not to compare ourselves to other people or try and look like someone else. Let's embrace who we are, and when we start doing that, it's where it's so liberating. All right, let's just keep that going. So we're just stepping that foot out from one side to the other. So again, this exercise here is working your whole body, and we're getting that step count up. And let's just take that back to that half skater's lunge, and again really pull down with the arms, doing really well. Got last 10 seconds, keeping that going. So the idea of this workout, I just want to get you moving, because exercise is simply about moving, and I also want to get you feeling body positive. All right, so next move coming up now. This one, we're going to do a good fast march on the spot, then we're simply going to be doing some knee lifts. And this one here is really good for working through your core. So again, we're getting that heart rate up. So let's really go for a nice, powerful march on there. So we're really going to just pump through with the arms, keep that upper body nice and straight, tummy is tight. That's good, keeping that going. And when we reach 45 seconds, so every 15 seconds, we're going to change. We're going to take it to that knee crunch. And really, when you're drawing that knee up, tense those tummy muscles. So this is a bit like doing a standing ab exercise. So this, a lot of writing, I'm going to read it to you. There are millions of flowers, all colours and sizes, and each is beautiful in its own style. And the point there with that, what I want you to understand is some of us are tall, some of us are short, some of us are larger, some of us are curvy. It doesn't matter. It's just about knowing that we are beautiful who we are. And that's so important. All right, let's just keep going. So now let's just go back to those knee crunches. So abdominals tight, and remember, today's workout is about getting your step count up. It's about toning up all over, and that's good. And all right, we've just got last 5 seconds. Let's go 4, take it 3, 2 and 1. All right, so this move, we're going to do 15 seconds where we're doing swimming arms. So that one is amazing for shoulders and arms. And then the next 15 seconds, we simply march, taking the arms above the head. So let's start with that swimming one. So imagine you're just doing a swimming stroke here. Keep your hands in line with your shoulders. This is fantastic for working through your arms and sculpting through the upper body, through those shoulders. And we're going to get ready to now take the arms directly up. So we are working your whole body. This is working your heart a little bit harder because your arms above heart level. So we're increasing that cardio intensity. Let's keep that going, doing really well, pushing that up and land softly with the feet, and then take those arms in front. So if you are on Facebook and you aren't already, you definitely need to come and join our closed group which Facebook page, which is called Lucy Squad. It's the most amazing community on there, and you'll see some incredible transformations. Literally, there are just so many. So definitely come and find that after this video and come and join us. And let's go last few, punching those arms up, land softly with the feet, doing really well. Let's go 3, take it 2 and 1. So for the next move coming up, we're going to do 15 seconds where we're doing straight leg kicks, and then 15 seconds when we're doing lateral side taps. So this one, again, full body, getting that step count up. So let's start now, and let's go 15 seconds, straight leg kicks. So we're working the arms, we're working your core. So this is still really working through those abdominals, working the legs, or increasing your flexibility, balance. So we are doing a whole host of things. All right, let's get ready now to change that. Tap that out from one side to the other. So now we're working laterally through the inner and the outer thighs. Here's a nice quote for you: wear confidence every day because it suits you. That's good. Let's just keep that going, and then we're going to get ready to just change that again. So straight leg kick in front. You know, and confidence is something we all control. Once you believe in yourself, honestly, then everything else falls into place, and no one can stop you from feeling confident other than yourself. All right, that's good. And let's just step that foot from one side to the other, keeping that going. We've got the last 10 seconds coming up, and let's count you down. Let's go last 5, take it 4, go 3, 2 and 1. So our next move coming up now is going to be where we're going to alternate doing standing opposite knee crunches and then simply marching on the spot, doing that on and off for again for 60 seconds. So let's get ready. Let's start with doing a nice strong fast march, really work through those arms, so we're really getting that step count up, and then every 10 seconds we're just going to change that. And now let's get ready to just take that opposite elbow to knee. So this is really good actually at working through your waist. So we're going to create some nice curves, and we're still really working through those abs, and now bring it straight back to that march, so on and off. And this is a really good thing to do. Just think, we don't need to have approval from anyone else. We need to start learning to approve ourselves, and that's so important to do. So let's just keep going, doing really well. We've got last 20 seconds coming up from now, and really focus on marching nice and fast. Really pump through those arms, land nice and softly. That's good, keeping that going. Well done. And let's just go last 10 seconds now, and we're just going to finish off with those knee crunches. So I said this is great for the waist. So we've nearly finished today's workout. That's good. 2 and 1. So your next move coming up, this time now we're going to do, now this is an option. You can do a really fast march on the spot, and on the 10 seconds if you want to, you can just do a little squat jump. If you don't want to do the jump because this one is hard, then instead simply just do a little squat for me. So this is up to you. You choose the intensity you want to work to. So now if you want to, you can do that squat jump for 2 or just go for a basic squat. Let's just keep that going. And this is my favorite quote of all: yes, I can. So within this video, just keep focusing. You can do anything you want when you put your mind to it, you know, and exercise is key. Exercise is what just helps with everything. It reduces stress, anxiety. It makes us stronger mentally and physically. All right, let's just keep that going. Last 20 seconds coming up of training today, nearly done. And also, if you're on anything like Instagram, do come and find me, and don't forget I've got lots of different ebooks, my online courses. There is everything on my website, lwrfitness.com, and go and check out all the before and afters. That's good. And let's go last 3, 2 and 1, and you are now done. So what I would suggest is, if you want to do another workout, I'm going to put a link here in this YouTube video. You can go and do my other 7-minute step 1, then that will take it up to, you will have done 2,000 steps and a 14-minute workout. If you're done, then what we're going to do now is just go through doing a full body stretch. Okay, so let's take one foot behind and just rest the hands on the front leg. Just feel the stretch through the back of the lower leg. So obviously this video is a lot longer than 7 minutes, but actually the core workout, once I've done the introduction, is 7 minutes. Obviously now we're going to spend couple of minutes doing some stretches, so just follow me on screen. But you know, the great thing is with this workout, what I wanted to do is just create something that was really just going to get your step count up, and this would be really good to do this daily if you can. Remember, you don't always have to listen to my narration. Now you know what the workout is, you can just mute me and put on your favorite music. That's good. And then let's just now take that to the other leg. So we're just going to bring that in front. So just follow me doing these stretches. And the great thing is with exercise, it is so important to keep that body moving. You're going to feel more energized, and the more energized you feel, then the healthier habits then that we have. And also, if you're looking at anything for healthy living, I do have all my ebooks, and I've also got all my healthy eating books as well. I will leave a link in the description down below. Let's just take that to the other leg, just feeling that stretch through the front of the leg, through the quadricep. If you need to, obviously you can do that by the wall, so you've got balance there as well. All right, so now let's just bring those arms in front, because you've done a lot for the upper body today. So even though it was a step count, it was a walking one, you still toned all over. Just get a nice stretch through the top of the upper back. And let's just reverse that, take the arms behind, get a nice stretch now through the chest, holding that there. That's good. And we're now going to take the arms up, or one arm up, and then just with the opposite hand, just hold that down. Just feel a nice stretch there through the tricep. That's good. And the nice thing is with stretching, just helps to realign your body. Let's take that now to the other arm, and it just gives you time just to really actually just reflect the workout that you've done. And don't forget, you've just invested in your body, your health. So let's now just take that over and get a nice side stretch. But really well done with today's training. If you liked today's video, please definitely give it a thumbs up. If you're not already, then come and subscribe to my channel. And also, if you liked it, then please share it on Pinterest, Facebook, and don't forget, come and find me on Instagram and on the closed group Facebook page, Elise's Squad. And then if you want to find out more about my workouts, online training, before and afters, then head to my website, which is lwrfitness.com. And well done with your training today.